If you're going for an electrical training video, I apologise in advance. Where are we today, Vienna?
We're down at Open Bionics in Bristol to be fitted for my hero arm.
And the hero arm is the video that we're going to produce here, just a little bit into the process, because it's you and your kind donations from the dancing world, from the electrical world and the teaching world that I've been in and you've been involved with that have raised the money to allow us to come to Bristol to Open Bionics to have that hero arm actually now in the process of being fitted, because it's been cast today, haven't we?
Yeah, we've been cast.
And what did that mean we had to do when we say cast?
Well, we started off with a testing kit to see whether I needed a 1 or 2 site.
Okay, so 1 or 2 site meaning the sensors, because they're on the inside and the outside of your arm, and obviously the inside of your arm's had a lot of work done, and we've overdone that muscle, haven't we?
Yeah, so I'm going to have just 1 on the outside of my arm.
Okay, and that's the sensor that allows the hand to open and close, and you change the pattern with a button on the back of it, don't you, so we can change the finger configuration. So we had to play with that round first of all when we got here, and that was good fun to see that hand in action, but then we had to do what effectively is the casting for that. So what did that mean we had to do, Vienna?
I had to be cast with plaster of Paris for the socket for my hero arm.
Okay, and that was quite a strong process when we have to get it in that cast and get it in and out of that casting in order that effectively that can be the first mould that they make. And when we come back on our second visit, that's where they'll start positioning the sensor that allows the hand to open and close, isn't it?
Yeah.
And when we've been here, have we actually seen any of the making process? Did we see any of the 3D printing?
Yeah, there's a video of the 3D printing.
So hopefully we've brought it in on screen and you can see that 3D printing going on. I think that's one of the actual covers that can go on it. And we're going to have a selection of covers, aren't we, to change that hand to give it a different appeal, aren't we?
Yeah.
So this was all about really saying thank you to that massive community, again, from the dancing world, from the teaching world and from the electrical industry for all of your support for me and my daughter. It's a tragic event and we're almost at our 2-year anniversary, which is what date?
The 23rd of June.
Okay, when actually we had our operation to remove effectively your most predominant hand, but we've now left with, obviously, we're all left-handed now, aren't we? I'm left-handed as well, so we're the left-handed family. So we'd just like to say a wholehearted thank you, because we wouldn't be here without everybody's fantastic support, and we are genuinely, aren't we? We really appreciate what everyone's done for us, don't we?
Yeah, thank you to everyone who donated.
Thank you.